folks, it seems to be very difficult, because whatever we have done over there in Mindspace Business Corporation, folks, was not really effective in that way, folks. It was always the case that we were simply like speaking something, you know, aside to that particular topic of the Mindspace Business Corporation. In reality, folks, the issue with regards to Mindspace Business Corporation turns out to be really undetermined in many ways. Well, the other thing turns out to be, folks, that over there in Mindspace, folks, those profoundly gorgeous and voluptuously voracious girls, folks, along with whom we work, can never be contacted in any way, folks. It's just that that those are simply there. But folks, what are we gonna do about those girls? Because one thing seems to be, folks, that uh, even if we try to develop a sense of recognition, try to bond, try to be friendly, and then try to exchange contact numbers and all that, it's not in reality going to be so easy, folks, to cast some beautiful girl in a movie. First of all, there is no movie. It all depends on the response of Silhouette Princess Groslin Badaria. And folks, if Groslin Badaria doesn't support, folks, everything is gone, Everything is gone. And we don't know what the hell is to be done later.